Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So here's a quick review of the current watches and advisories that are going to be hoisted tonight. They include a wind chill advisory for temperatures that will feel 35 degrees or below for a period of time, especially during the morning hours, I think, as the temperatures kind of bottom out. That's along the coastline, and then inland in Hardee County, particularly indicated here in the dark blue, we have a freeze watch, meaning conditions might be possible for temperatures below freezing as low as 28 degrees for a period of 3 hours or more in that location, at least parts of that location. So serious cool weather on the horizon for us. And you know, tonight might not be the coldest night. We might see more of these watches and maybe warnings issued over the course of the next couple of days as temperatures maybe get a little bit cooler, particularly tomorrow night into Friday morning. And the reason for that is we've obviously had some very chilly weather just to our north. And while our temperatures this morning started out a little bit warmer and are currently on track to be about the same as they were yesterday as we break out into a little bit more sunshine later this afternoon, with 53 degrees in Wauchula, 53 in Arcadia, 51 in Myakka, Longboat at 54, 50 in Sarasota, 52 in Bradenton, Parrish at 51, so is Inglewood and Venice at 52. Even though these temperatures are pretty much at the same place as they were 24 hours ago, they're going to get much cooler tonight because the winds out of the north will take some of that really cold air that produced the snow showers to the north. And we've got some spotter reports up here of 2-inch rainfalls in places in southern parts of Georgia and 1-inch rainfalls, snowfalls in and around areas of Leon County where the university is, and then back toward Jacksonville. So there was some pretty good snow falling. In fact, some of that snow fell right on top of icy glazed conditions. So a real travel problem up there this morning. Obviously cold air if you're going to get that snow. And our winds turning north and becoming gusty today will transport some of that colder air southward as the low producing these showers exits the region. We're in the last few gasps of our rainfall right now. And some of the rainfall has been significant. Around Ellington area, you got over a ½ an inch of rainfall. So that's pretty good for this time of year to get a rainfall like that. A very powerful low pressure area, kind of historic in nature actually, tracking up to the north and to the east. And as it does that, it draws down this drier air on the backside. You can see some of the clearing already beginning to take place out in Gulf waters. So as this low moves up toward the northeastern coastline of the mid-Atlantic and eventually down East Maine, snow showers will begin to intensify. This is really going to be a historic storm in terms of how strong it becomes in a short period of time. So as it does that, you know, a distance of 50 miles closer to the coast or further away from the coast is going to have a huge impact on how much snowfall they get in the northeast. So that's something we'll be watching. And then a secondary front kind of washes away, reinforcing the cool puddle of air in the deep south, and that north wind continues to draw it down. Those winds kind of slacken as we get toward dawn, and with clearer skies, the cold, dry air in place, that's when our temperatures will really start to fall. And we'll have a couple of days in a row of those colder air, that colder air in place. Northeast wind at about 20, and here's your forecast, and it's a cold one. A freeze watch up tonight for interior sections. It will be cold in near the coastline, about 37 degrees, but interior sections could be very close to freezing. And then for the next few nights, colder still with lots of sunshine around, but despite the sunshine, it's cold. And then we start to warm a little bit over the weekend as the next front approaches next work week. Scott?